He thought no one saw him, but AI did. A string of burglaries rocked a quiet neighborhood. No fingerprints, no faces, just shadows slipping through the night. Police were stuck until someone asked, what if we let artificial intelligence watch the footage? That's when everything changed. The AI enhanced grainy doorbell videos, synced movements, and tracked one man across every crime scene. It even predicted his next move and led officers straight to him, caught in the act. He never said a word, but his body language, his steps, his habits, AI turned them into evidence. And that's how a smart doorbell and a smarter machine brought down a serial thief. This is Curel Case Files. True crime meets true tech. Tap subscribe for the full story.